Hey friends, welcome back to Recipes with Me. Today we're making a fun, refreshing, and crowd-pleasing party drink, open house punch. This one is perfect for gatherings and it serves a big crowd. Let's get mixing. For this recipe, you'll need skip the Southern Comfort for a non-alcoholic punch, or simply move to the next ingredient. 3 quarts of 7-UP, 6 ounces of fresh lemon juice, 1 can of frozen orange juice, 1 can of frozen lemonade, and if you like, a few drops of red food coloring for that party punch look. Step 2. Mix the base pour juices and frozen concentrates into a big punch bowl or bucket. Start by adding the lemon juice, orange juice, and frozen lemonade into a large punch bowl or bucket. Stir it together until everything blends nicely. Step 3. Add the bubbles. Next, pour in the 7-UP. Always add this last to keep the punch bubbly and refreshing. Step 4. Garnish and serve. Drop in fruit slices, add ice, stir gently. Add plenty of ice to keep it chilled, and garnish with fresh orange and lemon slices. If you want a richer color, add just a few drops of red food coloring. And that's it, Open House Punch. A delicious, fizzy, and citrusy drink that serves up to 32 people, making it perfect for holidays, parties, or any big get-together. Thanks for hanging out with me on Recipes with Me. If you enjoyed this open house punch recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy recipes and drinks, and let me know in the comments what I should make next. Cheers!